Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you Popsicle's craft, and this will be divided like I am going to make three different home decor or crafts out of popsicles, and today is the first video or episode of that, for which we require popsicles, our common stationery stuff, paints, fevicol, and that's it. These are the only things that we require. Let's begin. In today's craft, I am going to make a hexagon popsicle craft, and I'm going to make a storage type to hang it on the wall, against the wall, so that I can place a diya or any small plant that we get it in the gift shop. So here, as you can see, I have pasted the popsicles one upon the other in the hexagon shape, and once that is ready as a storage of anything, as you can see, I have painted it so with any color. So also while painting, I have mixed little fevicol in the paints so that you do not attract ants in future, because those are popsicles, so it might tend to get damaged. So if we apply fevicol with the, like if we mix fevicol with the paints and then apply it, the product will, like the item, the craft will not be damaged. And that's it. Once the paint with fevicol is applied to the hexagon popsicle craft, the item, the item is completely ready. Let it dry, and then you can hang it on the wall against the hook, and you can place anything over here like I did. I have placed a diya, and that's it. Your home decor, popsicle hexagon home decor, is ready. Also, you can you must varnish the popsicle craft, because the fevicol and the water that I stated earlier, for few days it might stop the damage. Like for few days it might not get damaged, but if we use varnish at the end, like once everything is ready, once we apply the varnish from outside and inside of the craft, this will remain forever. Like the craft will never get damaged because of varnish. So yes, we will also use varnish at the end and let it dry for 24 hours, and that's it. Now it's completely ready.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.